Create chart templates and study groups. A valued feature of TradeStation is the ability to customize your charts so they display the information you want in a manner and style that you can easily read. Setting up your charts the way you like may be cumbersome and time-consuming, so you may want them to appear with your custom settings and style every time you create a new chart. Fortunately, TradeStation has a feature that allows you to change chart defaults and create study templates. Most of the chart customization is done by clicking Data from the chart toolbar and selecting Edit Symbol. The Settings, Style, and Scaling tabs allow you to change pretty much anything on the chart, and at the same time, change the default settings. All you need to do is select the Set as Default box. The Settings tab will allow you to set the time interval, the chart type, the range of historical data, and the time zone used for the candles. Again, if you check the Set as Default box, any new charts you create will open with the characteristics you chose. The Style tab lets you select a bar type, for example, OHLC, candlestick, line on close, etc. And you may also adjust the colors for the bar components. You can also make your choices the default. The Scaling tab lets you choose on what axis the scale appears and some physical characteristics of the way the price data is displayed on the chart window. For example, you may center the last price on the chart, add margins around your bars, or even use a fixed scale. Another great feature is that you can switch your chart scale to semi-log. This helps traders analyze data by using percentages as the basis of the price scale and seeing the magnitude of some historical price swings. The Properties tab allows you to change the sessions for your charts. Trading used to be limited to the hours that the pits at the exchanges were open. That time frame is referred to as regular trading hours, or RTH. With the addition of electronic trading, extended trading hours, or ETH, were created. After-hours trading of stocks is an example of this ETH. Traders may wish to isolate or include the RTH and ETH in their charts. TradeStation allows you to switch the trading session and even create custom session templates of your own. For example, the default charting session for stocks is to show 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is considered the RTH for stocks. Let's suppose that you want to see how a stock reacted to news or earnings releases after the closing bell. You could create a chart session that includes the after-hours trading activity. In the Properties tab of the Customize Symbol dialog, you can create custom sessions by selecting the ellipsis button. Select Use Custom Session, and from the Template dropdown, select U.S. Stock with Post-Market. Click Create if you wish to start a template from scratch and use custom session hours. Once you have named the template, you can identify the days and hours you want to chart. If the hours will be the same for every weekday, you can click Add Monday to Friday, and the hours you created will be duplicated for every weekday. The checkbox labeled Use this session as the end of the trading day marker tells the chart where the end of the day should be. It also allows strategies to identify where to generate end-of-day exits. Another great feature TradeStation gives you is the ability to customize how your charts look. Click Settings and select Window to adjust all styling elements of chart analysis. In the General tab, you can change scroll bars, price axis, or add more spaces to the right. In the Status Line tab, you can choose the data elements to appear in the status line. Select the Font tab to change the font size and style, or the Color tab to change the chart's background color, or the color of any other chart property available. Finally, in the Style tab, you may change the style of grids, session breaks, subgraph dividers, and axis lines. All this provides you with a look and style that only belongs to you and makes you the unique trader you are. Remember, you can check the box Set as Default to apply these style settings to all new charts in the future. Many chart preferences can also be changed or modified through the Preferences tab of the Settings menu. This offers access to change several chart characteristics as well as modification for strategy reports. Please take a moment to explore all the features that can be changed by clicking the tabs on this Preferences dialog. Many traders have favorite technical studies that help them identify trading opportunities. They may use several tools such as paint bars, activity bars, indicators, or show me studies on their charts to assist them in making decisions. When a new chart is created, it will appear without studies. Trying to add multiple studies onto a chart one at a time can also be time-consuming and cumbersome. If you have several studies that you like to apply to your charts on a regular basis, you can have them appear automatically on your chart when you create a new one. You do this by grouping the studies. To create a group, first make sure all the studies you want are already applied to the chart. Then click Studies at the top toolbar and choose Save Study Group. Give your group a name, and any of the studies that are checked will become part of that group. If this is your favorite study group that you want on every new chart, select the checkbox for Automatically Add on a New Chart Analysis window. Every time you create a new chart, the selected studies will be automatically applied. You may also use study groups to switch your studies quickly from one group to another. Click Studies on the top toolbar and select Add Study Group. Select the desired group, and all of the current studies would disappear and be replaced by the studies in the new group. Manage your study groups you have created by clicking Studies and selecting Edit Study Groups. TradeStation makes it easy for you to customize your chart views so you can analyze the chart data in a way that helps you focus on your analysis and make trading decisions. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and happy trading!